So once you log into the lead gen, you are given 100 leads a day. Once you refer somebody, you get 200 leads a day instead. Here's my previous recordings. You can scroll down to see your latest statistics. Because you might, I just sent an email here. The first day sent that many, and you can pause and look at that. But anyway, so every day I go to mailing system, and I just go to lead partners. So I don't have to check a million things, and I check everybody, select leads from all partners. So today I got another 100 leads. So I've been doing this for 7 days so far. You can send it from yourself, or I've changed up the company that I've been showing the last couple of days. So I've been doing my lead gen secret instead. And then this is a nice feature. Every email that you've sent is loaded in here. So once you're through a cycle, if you have no inspiration, if you're on vacation, whatever it may be, you just click one and it'll populate for you. So it's already done. So you keep scrolling down. I can't send anything. You send one email a day every 24 hours. But when there is a button, it'll be down here for you to click. I like to click perfect timing because based on the person and wherever they are, this tells you it sends that the ideal timing that they will actually open it up. Anyway, then there's a preview button, there's a submit button, and that's it. It's pretty sweet. I like it because it has actually targeted leads for MLM, MMO, other things like that, and yeah, I'm liking the results so far. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Any more questions? Just let me know.